Hi, I'm Marcia from Guardair, and this is the 1500 Gun Vac, powered by standard shop compressed air. It's lightweight and has no electric motor to burn out. It uses venturi technology to create a powerful suction capable of cleaning anything, from lightweight chips and sawdust to heavy nuts and bolts. Featuring rugged all-metal construction, the 1500 Gun Vac has a tapered inlet that accepts standard 1 1/4 inch diameter vacuum accessories. It has a contoured comfort grip and a trigger lock. The 1500 Gun Vac also features a secondary air inlet for easy operation in hard-to-reach places. It comes with a high filtration collection bag, a 9-inch crevice tool, a convenient hanging eyelet, and an industry-standard 1/4 inch FNPT inlet. For more information, visit our website.